favorite beer bloggers, here to bring you one of our new beers that we're about to try. It's the Mexican Chocolate Peanut Butter Stout by Belching Beaver. And we both tried the regular peanut butter stout and the Mexican chocolate. And I gotta say, the Mexican chocolate one was extremely chocolatey when I tried it. Delicious. I've been trying to find it ever since. But the original peanut butter one, it's kind of lacking peanut butter taste. You get only like a hint of it. I don't know, what do you think of it?
It's pretty good. I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
You
not
like
bad.
stronger stouts though.
I do. I like it more milky, you know? I don't know how to explain it.
Of course you do.
And so yeah, my buddy gave this to me, shout out Liam Pettigrew, on my birthday, and supposedly there's only one batch being made of this, and we are fortunate enough to try it.
We've been saving it.
Yeah, for a special occasion for you guys at home, so you can enjoy it with us. So without further ado, drum roll please. She refused to do drum roll, like, that was kind of her cue. Ooh, that's good. Smell it right
Can't wait
away.
to try it.
I get cheers first round.
Thank you.
Oh man, that's good. It's a 10.7% ABV too.
It's pretty high.
If you've been following our Instagram channel, you know that we are big stout people. Mostly me. I got Mika into stouts. She's more of a lighter beer person. She likes lagers, blondes, and you're starting to come around to pale ales.
And sours.
Yeah, you really do like sours.
Starting to love it.
When we went to Brewery Teru,
I didn't like it back then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the foam kind of settled a little bit. The moment of truth. You want to try it?
It looks thick too.
That's what she said. Cheers.
It's really good.
Wow. Heavy on the chocolate and heavy on the peanut butter. It kind of tastes like.
It's really good. Can you see it?
It kind of tastes like you're eating. I'd say like the actual cookie part of an Oreo cookie, like.
It tastes like Mexican chocolate. It tastes like champorado. Have you tried that?
What's champorado?
It's like a Mexican drink.
Oh really?
Breakfast, yeah. It's pretty good. I like it.
I guess I'll have to try it.
I really like it.
If it tastes like this, then I'll definitely have to be trying it. But yeah, it kind of tastes like I get the sense of Oreo cookie combined with like, you know, Nutter Butters. Have you ever had Nutter Butter? Yeah.
But there's like a cinnamon hint to it.
It is.
Try it. Then. See?
Yeah, I do taste that cinnamon.
Yeah.
I didn't taste it the first time around, but
Now that I mentioned it, huh?
I know.
You're like.
I definitely paid more attention to it when you mentioned it. It's so sad that they only made one batch. It was the most delicious thing ever. Oh man. Was I the first person you tried to stout with?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. And look how far we've come now. Shout out to Belching Beaver for making such an amazing.
You guys should make more.
Please. I don't know, babe. If you didn't drink beer, I don't know how this relationship would work. I'm just saying, the beer bloggers would be pretty lonely. It'd be like one beer blog.
That's not true. He'll still go for me. It's true.
No more. It's almost a crime that is gone. What the heck?
You said it's a crime. So I added more.
You added more. Can't even hate on that. What would you say like your favorite type of beer is?
I don't know. It depends.
Depends on how you're feeling.
Yeah. There's times where I just want a stout. I think for colder days and nights, I want a stout. But when it's like a hot day, I want something like lighter.
So many breweries, so little time. Oh, next brewery, which one should we go to?
The one in San Diego. The one that you were supposed to take me a long time ago, but you were hangover, so we turned back.
Oh no.
Stone? Was that
Yeah,
Stone?
Stone. Is in
Yes.
Escondido. Yeah. All right. Stone Brewery. We're coming at you guys next. Next time, I'm thinking about getting. I'm gonna go away from the norm. I usually pick stouts and sours. I think I'm gonna. Who knows? I might throw everyone for a loop and just get an IPA. Oh, Beavers, what about you?
I don't know. Depends on my mood on that day.
That's true.
So we'll check the weather and I'll update you guys.
All right, everyone. I'm gonna finish this beer, and
Cheers.
that's right. Cheers from your favorite beer bloggers.